Just sold 87 Mile End Avenue in Hatfield.
The valuation was done by Kathy Evans from Doncaster, who came out very punctual, very professional. Did a thorough valuation of the property. Really good.
We did have it up with another estate agent, but we weren't that happy with them. But we were recommended Preston Baker by a friend. You'd sold their properties for them in Doncaster, and it went really well, so we thought we'll give you a go.
The negotiation was dealt with through yourselves at Doncaster, and it was it resulted in the right result with exactly what we wanted.
It was really good. They rang up every week and gave us an update of what was happening.
Yeah.
Yeah, really professional.
It was Charlotte in Doncaster that dealt with all our inquiries. Again, very punctual, rang every week, let us know progress of exactly what was happening.
I've already recommended you to other people.
So I have too.
Well, thank you very much.